Today in Brain Logistics. End-to-end supply chain flow, raw material to customer. To understand supply chain management, we must look at the entire end-to-end flow. This flow begins with raw materials and ends with the final customer, raw materials and suppliers. The process starts with suppliers who provide raw materials. These materials may come from different regions and countries, forming the first link in the supply chain. Manufacturing. Raw materials are then transformed into finished products through manufacturing. Production planning ensures efficiency, quality, and timely output. Warehousing and inventory. After production, products are stored in warehouses. Warehousing positions inventory closer to customers and supports fast and reliable distribution. Transportation and distribution. Transportation connects each stage of the supply chain. Goods move from factories to warehouses and from warehouses to retailers or customers. Retailers and customers. Finally, products reach retailers or are delivered directly to customers. Customer satisfaction depends on the speed, accuracy, and reliability of every previous step. The end-to-end supply chain is a continuous flow of materials, information, and decisions. When every link is aligned, the supply chain delivers value efficiently from raw material to final customer.